we are going to do another experiment on potentiometer, which you may do in your practical level also. It's not difficult, very easy part, and then that part I'll take, and that is more easier. पोस्ट ऑफिस बॉक्स नावच तसं आहे त्याचा. डब्बा कसा दिसतो तो काय म्हणतात ते, पोस्टाचा लाल डबा असतो ना, तसं ते एक्सपेरिमेंट दिसतं, म्हणून त्याला पोस्ट ऑफिस बॉक्स असं नाव ठेवलंय. नथिंग टू डू विथ दॅट, म्हणजे काय लेटर्स घालायचं काम काय होत नाही तिकडं. दॅट कॉन्सेप्ट इज डिफरंट. कम हिअर. फर्स्ट, दिस इज another experiment on potentiometer. I will repeat the circuit diagram. I will explain the circuit diagram first, and then we will do the explanation. Very easy part. See here, potentiometer consists of a long uniform wire connected in series across a rheostat, a key, and a high tension battery. I don't know why in textbook they have given cell. Actually you don't, it doesn't work on cell. You require a higher voltage. That's it. E1 and E2 are the EMFs of the two cells whose EMFs need to be compared. Meaning you have to take their ratio. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the 4 keys. 4 चाव्या आहेत त्या. दिसताना वाटत नाही पण they are the keys. This is a general key K. This is the common terminal of the 4 keys is connected to the galvanometer. The other end of the galvanometer is connected to a jockey. That's it. बघा, potentiometer wire connected across a rheostat, a key, a cell. 4 keys are taken, 1, 2, 3, 4. Common terminal of the 4 keys is connected to the galvanometer and the jockey. E1 and E2 are the EMF of the two cells whose EMFs need to be compared. Compared means taking the ratio. झालं. Working. Close the key. सगळ्यात पहिला सर्किट कनेक्ट करून घ्यायचा and close the key. Once you close the key, current starts flowing through the potentiometer wire. झालं. Then close the keys 1 and 3. Then the cells of EMFs E1 and E2 are said to be connected like this. Means positive, negative, positive, negative. Then the cells जर असे connect झाले, then their EMFs get added or the EMFs assist each other. बघा हा, close 1 and 3, keep open 2 and 4. Then the cells of EMFs E1 and E2 are said to be connected like this. Like this means what? Positive, negative, positive, negative. Then the cells are said to assist, म्हणजे add to each other. The EMFs get added. If this is the connection, EMFs get added. Okay? Then what do you do? 1 and 3 close करा. EMF said to be added. Move the jockey across the length of the potentiometer wire such that at a particular point galvanometer will show zero deflection. Zero deflection म्हणजे no current, network is balanced. दोरा घ्या आणि A पासून ते जिथं तुम्हाला समजा here, if you are getting the galvanometer deflection as 0, you measure it by means of a thread. Then we can write E1. Then we can write E1 plus E2 is equal to KL1. Measure it as L1. Ends the story. Next, open. ह्याला हात लावायचा नाही. की K closest ठेवायची. Open 1 and 3. Close 2 and 4. Then the cells are said to be connected like this. बरोबर उलट. उलट म्हणजे the cells oppose. The EMFs get subtracted. EMFs get subtracted provided E1 is greater than E2. Select करतानाच cell of EMF E1 should be greater than E2. नाहीतर ढूंढते रह जाओगे balancing point. मिळणारच नाही. ठीक है? Do the connections. Open 1 and 3, close 2 and 4. Do the Then the cells are said to oppose each other. Oppose each other म्हणजे total EMF is E1 minus E2 provided E1 is greater than E2. Now move the jockey across the length from A. You have to start. Move the jockey across the length of the potentiometer wire such that, say, at this particular point galvanometer is showing 0 deflection. Measure that length from A by means of thread. Let it be L2. Then E1 minus E2 is equal to KL2. Take the ratio E1 plus E2 upon E1 plus E2 upon E1 minus E2. KL1 upon KL2. K cancels. Potential gradient म्हणतात त्याला. K is potential gradient. कुठं आली गाडी? Where it has come? Take the ratio. See here now. E1 plus E2 upon E1 minus E2 is equal to L1 upon L2. Students, school मध्ये you had learnt a typical method which was called as componendo dividendo method. What was that? If A upon B is equal to C upon D, then A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. घ्या. हे आता A upon B घ्या. You take it as C upon D. Then what do you get? A plus B. I hope it is clear. A upon B is equal to C upon D. Then A plus B upon A minus B is equal to C plus D upon C minus D. Clear? Kai cancel? What do we get? I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. What gets cancelled? This is how you compare the EMFs by sum and difference method. कळतंय? काय नाही. हे रेशो घेतला L1 आणि L2 बॅलन्स एकदा 1 and 3 क्लोज केला. बॅलन्सिंग लेंथ L1 काढायची. 2 आणि मग 1 and 3 ओपन करून 2 and 4 क्लोज करायचा. बॅलन्सिंग लेंथ L2 काढायची. टेक द रेशियोज. Use the componendo dividendo method. Ends the job. That's it. Clear? एक part. आता we will discuss that post office box, which is much easier, students. See, I'll teach you that part. I think more than half of the topic is over. Topic is small, students. After this, I'll go to section 1, topic number 3. That is kinetic theory of gases. ते पण लहानच आहे. What is this, students? What is this? Post office box. Okay? Post office box. मोठं काय नाही आहे. काय मोठं नाही आहे. P and Q are the resistors. R is another resistor which are connected as shown in the on a wooden board as shown in the figure. The terminal C is connected to an unknown resistance X and a cell. The other end of the cell is connected to the key K1. Terminals A and B are connected to keys K1. A is connected to K1. B is connected to K2 respectively. The unknown resistance is connected to a galvanometer across the common terminal D. I'll repeat. P and Q are the resistors in a typical ratio. R is another resistor in another ratio, another form. X is unknown resistance. The common terminal C is connected to a cell and an unknown resistance. D is connected to the resistance, unknown resistance X and galvanometer. A and B are the terminals which are connected to keys K1 and K2 respectively. झालं. करूया काय? मोठं काय नाही. What I have to do is, P and Q are the resistors whose ratio कसा असतो? In the form of 10 ohms, 100 ohms, 1000 ohms. Then R is a resistor whose value is from 1 to 5000 ohms. P and Q are the resistors whose value is in the ratio 10, 100, 1000. तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिकल मध्ये ते देतात 10 वापरा, 100 वापरा किंवा 1000 वापरा. R is a resistor whose value is from 1 to 5000. X is unknown resistance whose value needs to be determined. Use Wheatstone's network. P upon Q is equal to R upon X. काय रेजिस्टन्स वापरणार? Wheatstone's network ची बॅलन्सिंग कंडिशन घ्या. P upon Q is equal to R upon X. PQ माहिती है, R माहिती है. Can you calculate ये X आराम से? RQ upon P. आता R ची व्हॅल्यू माहिती आहे, P ची व्हॅल्यू माहिती आहे, Q ची व्हॅल्यू माहिती आहे. So you can calculate unknown resistance X. Once you know the unknown resistance X, we can calculate the specific resistance. What is that? X into A divided by what? What is the here? Length? Yes, X into A divided by L. Or specific X calculate केला, unknown resistance X calculate केला, X into A. A is the पहिला unknown resistance X calculate केला. Then you calculate the specific resistance. How do you do that? X into A divided by L. L is the length, balancing length. X is जी value काढली है. A is the area of cross section. Therefore, rho is equal to X into A divided by N. X into A divided by N. That's it. Are you okay? जरा पोस्ट ऑफिस बॉक्स म्हणजे P and Q हे असे रेजिस्टन्स असतात whose values range from 10, 100, 1000. R 5000. कनेक्शन्स करून घ्यायचे. X is unknown resistance whose value is determined using Wheatstone's network. X काढला, specific resistance काढायची. आठवतंय R is equal to rho L by I think you had it in your 10th, your 11th. Use the formula. Ends the job. Clear? Okay? Fine. I will stop. We'll continue tomorrow again. Chalo.